Wesley, and I am going to show you a video of how the cell, the nucleus, and the Golgi apparatus gets its protein. This room I'm right now in is outside of the cell, and it's going to represent the room. They're going to, the vesicles, which we are going to know later, and they're going to put some of their protein in here to power up the cell. This room is going to represent the space between that room and the plasma membrane, which is inside the cell. The plasma membrane is going to be this room. This is the Golgi apparatus, which is right now non-powered. And the two vesicles are going to be Franny and Tristan. And right now, the two ribosomes are the two chairs, which are holding the protein, and the proteins are the two notebooks and the stuff in the binder. The wood doors are going to represent the ER, and the black door represent the nucleus. So, as they go, these two vesicles are going to take the proteins into, they're going to take it to the Golgi apparatus, and then the Golgi apparatus will use some of it to power itself, but also modify it for the outside of the cell. And then when they take it to the outside of the cell, they're going to leave some of the protein there. They keep the cell running. And then when they do that modified protein, which from outside the cell and to the Golgi apparatus, they're going to take it back to the ribosomes, and the ribosomes are going to take it to the nucleus. So, ready, set, go! And as you see, they dropped off the proteins, and now the proteins are pretty soon going to power up the Golgi apparatus, as you see just happened. And now, as it's powered, they're going to leave some of the protein behind, go through the plasma membrane, go through the outside of the nucleus, then they're going to put the protein inside this room, which is going to power the complete cell. Ready, set, go! Now, as you just see, they just gave protein to the whole cell, which is outside of it, and now they're going to leave some of the protein behind, give it back to the ribosomes, and the ribosomes are going to take it back to the nucleus. Ready, set, go! Now, as you see, the nucleus got the protein, which are from the ribosomes, thanks to the help of the vacuoles and the ribosome and you vacuole. You drop some of your protein back there and in here. Seriously? And now, with the whole nucleus being powered, the ribosome being powered, and the whole cell being powered, that's how the whole cell gets its protein. Now, you might want to go do this again to keep the cell running.